The other thing you were pointing out, Alex, is how close the QCB2 can get to any boundary.
Yeah, we can go right up to the boundary now, so the fence is almost touching the studio. And remember, it's maintenance free, so you don't need to get into there to maintain the studio. You know, how you maintain the fence, you know, maybe they pull out and you can maintain them that way. But we can get really tight up against garages, and, garden fences and hedges, because we can build it and drop the panel in from the inside.
You build it from the inside
You can on these,
of the studio.
You know, they're a little bit trickier because we've got to put the cables in, and, you know, it slows it down a tad, but not much.
Yeah.
But it was just that I used to hate it when people, I did want a 16 foot, but I had to go for a 12 foot because the garden's only this wide and you needed that space around it to build it.
To actually build it.
Which I thought, that's a shame. So we designed it so that it can go right up tight.
Yeah, so
it locks in.
It's another advantage of the QCB2.
Yeah, another advantage of the QCB2.
Yeah, great.